Well, African Americans comprise more than 70% of the coronavirus deaths in Louisiana. And Mayor Perkins says it's about the same for Caddo Parish.
State health experts say one of the underlying conditions related to it all is hypertension. NBC 6's Zainiri Bird joins us now, sharing more on that connection. Zai, good evening.
Good evening, Dan and Jackie. Today I spoke with the CEO of David Raines, who says hypertension is one of the leading chronic diseases in the African American community.
Disturbingly, this information is going to show you that slightly more than 70% of all the deaths in Louisiana are of African Americans.
Governor John Bel Edwards explained this in his Monday briefing, and Shreveport Mayor Adrian Perkins spoke on this in his briefing Wednesday afternoon.
And it's about the exact same here in Caddo Parish.
According to the Caddo Parish Coroner's Office, the death toll in Caddo Parish is 26, with 19 being African Americans. State officials say the leading underlying conditions in death is hypertension.
And so that deserves more attention, and we're going to have to dig into that and see what we can do to slow that trend down.
And hypertension is best known as high blood pressure, just one of the chronic diseases that kills African Americans.
Hypertension, diabetes, obesity are some of the leading chronic diseases in the African American community.
Willie White, the CEO with David Raines Community Health Center, say chronic diseases in African Americans is what they mostly treat out of their 16,000 patients across 4 parishes.
A large percentage of our patients suffer with those diseases, and many times they suffer with more than one of those diseases.
He says African Americans suffer disproportionately with chronic diseases. White says COVID-19 revealed the disparities in the healthcare system for minorities like African Americans.
Access to care, economic conditions is certainly a contributor. The lack of health insurance can be a contributing factor.
And how poverty plays an underlying issue.
If you're living in poverty, very often you don't have access to adequate healthcare services.
Even though hypertension is an underlying issue with COVID-19 deaths in African Americans, anyone can still be diagnosed with COVID-19.
I want everybody to hear me with this. This virus does not care about race or gender or where you live. No one is immune to it.
And David Raines Community Health Centers is available if you are suffering from or having symptoms of COVID-19. You can actually give them a call at the number on your screen. That's 318-841-6056. Back to you.
All right, Zainiri, thank you.